Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to save website as desktop app. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To save website as desktop app, open your Microsoft Edge browser. In address bar, type a website address. I am typing New York, New York Post. Just open New York Post website. Now I am going to save this website as desktop shortcut app. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner and then go to apps. Here you will find an option install this site as an app. Click on install this site as an app. Now you can change the name and you can also edit the logo here. I'm not changing name and not editing the logo. Just click on install. You will find some options. Allow this app to pin to taskbar, pin to start menu and create desktop shortcut. I am just selecting create desktop shortcut and just unselect pin to taskbar and pin to start. Now click on allow. Now close Microsoft Edge browser. Look, in my desktop, this is the website desktop shortcut, and now this website is saved on my computer. Just click on the app logo. Look, the website has been opened. This is the easiest way to save website as desktop shortcut in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.